Remote air conditioning system. When the vehicle has been parked in direct sunlight, the remote air conditioning system can be operated from outside of the vehicle. In order to turn on the air conditioning and lower the temperature in the vehicle interior before entering the vehicle. Before leaving the vehicle, first check the temperature setting of the air conditioning system. The remote air conditioning system will operate when cooling is necessary, in accordance with the temperature settings of the air conditioning system. Make sure that the headlights and wipers are off, and leave the vehicle. When you want to use the system, press and hold the remote air conditioning system switch on the electronic key, and the remote air conditioning system will operate. For safety purposes, the automatic door lock function will be activated when this system is operating. The remote air conditioning system uses electrical energy stored in the hybrid battery. The system automatically shuts off after, at maximum, 3 minutes have passed. The amount of time it takes for the system to shut off will depend upon the charge level of the hybrid battery. The remote air conditioning system will stop if a door is opened. The system will also stop if the remote air conditioning system switch is pressed twice. The remote air conditioning system will only operate if all of the conditions shown are met. If any one of the operating conditions is not met while the system is operating, the system will automatically shut off. When operating the remote air conditioning system, please observe the following precautions. For details, please refer to the owner's manual.